Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to solve the exercise of unit 1, that is fundamentals of computer. So question number 1 is fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blank is the use of transistors marked the second generation of computers, because in the first generation computers vacuum tubes were used, and then in the second generation transistors were used. Second fill in the blank is one of the first tools used to express numbers was the abacus, developed in Babylonia about 5,000 years ago. So it was developed in Babylonia. Third fill in the blank is Charles Babbage, who was a scientist, is considered to be the father of modern digital computers. Fourth fill in the blank is transistor replaced vacuum tubes and were used in the second generation computers. So in the first generation vacuum tubes were used, and then in the second generation computers transistors were used. Okay. Fifth fill in the blank is analog computers are used to process and represent continuous data. So continuous data can be represented by analog computers. Okay. Sixth fill in the blank is supercomputer is the biggest in size and the most powerful computer. Seventh, PDA stands for personal digital assistant. So the abbreviation of PDA is personal digital assistant. Seventh fill in the blank is web designers are the professionals who design and develop websites. Ninth, joystick is a pointing device with a vertical lever mounted on a base. So it's basically used for playing video games. That is called joystick. 10th fill in the blank is registers are the high-speed temporary storage locations used to hold data and instructions. So these are the memory units, and most of the time they are part of the microprocessor, and these are the fastest memory location which stores instructions on temporary basis for processing, and they are also the primary memory. So registers are the high-speed temporary storage locations used to hold data and instructions. Question number 2 is select the correct choice for each question. So the first MCQ is which was the first tool used to express numbers developed in Babylonia about 5,000 years ago? That is abacus. So option B is the correct option. The correct options are highlighted with yellow color. Second MCQ is who developed Napier's bone? So the correct option is John Napier, who was a scientist. So he developed this calculating machine, Napier's bone. Third, in which generation computers transistors were used? So in the second generation computers transistors were used. Which computer is a combination of digital and analog technologies? That is hybrid. Hybrid computers have got the capabilities, or they are composed of digital as well as analog technologies. That's why they are called hybrid computers. Fifth, where is Columbia supercomputer located? So it is located in NASA, USA. Sixth MCQ is which are the most expensive, largest and the quickest computers after supercomputers? Means the second fastest and powerful computers are mainframe computers. The correct option is C, that is mainframe. Seventh MCQ is which technology is used to design and manufacture products in manufacturing industry? So option A is the correct answer, CAD/CAM, computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing. Eighth MCQ is who applies the principles of software engineering to the design, development, testing and evaluation of the software? So these are the responsibilities of a software engineer. So the correct option is B, that is software engineer. Ninth MCQ is which of the following is an input device for voice recording? It's very simple, that is microphone. Microphone is an input device used for voice recording. Through microphone we can input voice. So option D is the correct answer. So these were the exercise questions of unit 1, that is fundamentals of computer, and with this our first unit ends. If you have any question you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot, take care, Allah Hafiz.